If you need to insert an equation in Lucidchart, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can add clean mathematical notation to your diagram without confusion. Whether you're building a flowchart, a technical document, a classroom worksheet, or a process map, Lucidchart makes it possible to add equations directly into your canvas and edit them as needed. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more simple software guides, and let's jump right in. First, open Lucidchart in your web browser and either create a new document or open the file you want to work on. Once your workspace is loaded, look to the left side of the screen where the Shapes menu is located. If you don't see the equation tools yet, you'll need to add them first. At the bottom of the Shape panel, click More Shapes. You can also use the keyboard shortcut M to open the Shape library faster. Inside the Shape library, scroll until you find the Standard Shape section, then look for Equations. Check the box next to Equations to enable that library. After that, click Use Selected Shapes to add the equation tools to your left-hand menu. This is an important step because Lucidchart won't show the equation shape until you activate the library. Now that the equation library is available, go back to your canvas and look for the New Equations section in the Shape menu. Click and drag an equation shape onto your document wherever you want the math formula to appear. You can place it inside a diagram, next to a label, or anywhere it supports your layout. To edit the equation, simply double-click the equation shape on the canvas. That will open the Equation Editor text box. In this editor, you can type your formula using standard LaTeX notation or use keyboard hotkey combinations if you already know them. As you type, Lucidchart will show a live preview of the equation directly below the text field, which makes it much easier to catch mistakes before saving. For example, if you want to create a fraction, an exponent, a square root, or a more complex expression, just enter the proper math formatting in the editor. This is especially useful if you're working with scientific diagrams, engineering layouts, or education-based visuals. The preview updates as you type, so you can quickly verify that your equation looks exactly the way you want it to look. Once you're happy with the result, click Save to apply the equation to your diagram. Your equation will now appear on the canvas as part of your Lucidchart document, and you can move it, resize it, or place it wherever it fits best. If you need to change the equation later, just double-click it again, edit the text, and save the updated version. That makes Lucidchart flexible for ongoing revisions, especially when you're building technical content that needs to stay accurate. So, to recap, open your Lucidchart document, enable the Equations Shape library, drag an equation onto the canvas, edit it with LaTeX or math formatting, preview the result, and save your changes. That's the complete process for inserting an equation in Lucidchart. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Lucidchart tutorials and other easy software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.